stop. Before you take another step, look down. Your legs are the foundation of your independence. But here's the terrifying truth about aging. Did you know that after age 60, you lose up to 3% of your leg strength every single year? By 70, that's nearly a third of what you once had. Many people accept slower movement, difficulty with stairs, and reduced independence as an unavoidable part of getting older. But I'm here to tell you that's a lie. I've seen people in their 80s rebuild leg strength they thought was gone forever, using just 4 simple exercises that take less than 10 minutes a day. This isn't about expensive gym memberships or complicated routines. It's about science-backed, targeted movements that can restore your ability to walk, climb, and stay independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. But before we dive into the 4 moves, you must understand the real reason your legs feel weak after 60. It's a silent culprit called neuromuscular disconnect. The communication between your brain and leg muscles starts breaking down. It's like having a brand new phone, but with a weak dropped signal. The message just isn't getting through. The good news, targeted exercises don't just build muscle. They rewire those neural pathways. They fix the signal. Think of it this way. Your muscles are a team of workers, but the supervisor stopped giving clear instructions. These 4 exercises strengthen the workers and retrain the supervisor. Not all exercises are created equal. I'll guide you through the only 4 essential ones that target the key muscles for strength with easier and more challenging variations so everyone can do them safely. Before we start, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Get ready for exercise number 1, the modified step-up. The first exercise might surprise you because it's deceptively simple, but it's the most functional movement for maintaining independence. It's called the modified step-up. It directly mimics what you do dozens of times daily, getting in and out of cars, climbing stairs, stepping over obstacles. The power. Research shows that step-ups activate your quadriceps, glutes, and hip stabilizers simultaneously. But here's the part most people get wrong. The height of the step matters enormously. How to do it? You'll need a stable step or platform. If you're just starting, use something only 2 to 4 inches high. Even a thick book or a low step stool works. Stand facing your step. Take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale slowly, step up with your stronger leg first, pressing through your entire foot, not just your toes. This is crucial. Imagine pushing the floor away rather than pulling yourself up. Pause for 1 second at the top, keeping your chest lifted and core engaged. Then step back down with the same leg, inhaling as you lower. The key is control, no dropping or flopping down. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions on each side, 2 times per day. As this becomes easier, increase the height of your step by an inch or 2 over 2 to 3 weeks. Warning: the biggest mistake is rushing through this movement or using momentum. Remember, slow and controlled build strength far better than fast and sloppy. If balance is challenging, start by simply practicing the stepping motion without actually going up. Just touch your foot to the step and bring it back down. This still activates the muscles. Oh, you're still with me? That really means a lot. If you'd like, give this video a little thumbs up. It helps more people just like you find it. Exercise number 2, standing heel raises. Most people underestimate the power of this next exercise, but it's absolutely critical for preventing falls and maintaining your independence. Standing heel raises target your calf muscles, but they do something even more important. They strengthen the tiny stabilizer muscles in your ankles and feet that keep you upright. Here's a fascinating fact. Your calves are sometimes called your second heart. Every time they contract, they help pump blood back up from your legs to your heart. This means heel raises aren't just building strength, they're improving circulation and reducing swelling. Some research shows that calf strengthening, especially when you focus on the lowering phase, can significantly reduce fall risk in older adults. How to do it. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands on a counter or sturdy chair back for light support. Just fingertips, not gripping. As you exhale, slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as comfortable. Hold at the top for 2 full seconds. This pause is important. Now, here's the critical part. As you inhale, lower your heels back down very slowly, taking 3 to 4 seconds to reach the floor. This slow lowering phase, called the eccentric phase, is what triggers the most muscle growth and strength gains. Your calves are working harder during this part than when you lift it up. The prescription is to aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions, once in the morning and once in the evening. Progression. As you get stronger, try holding at the top for 3 seconds instead of 2, or reduce how much you're holding on for support. Eventually, you can challenge yourself with single leg heel raises. A common mistake is bouncing at the bottom or rushing. Remember, controlled and deliberate always beats fast and careless. Exercise number 3, ankle circles and toe taps. This is the one almost no one talks about, but it's essential for restoring full leg function. They work together to strengthen your shins, calves, and the intricate network of muscles around your ankles. These are the areas that stiffen up first, leading to that shuffling walk pattern that increases fall risk. Research from the Journal of Foot and Ankle Research shows that maintaining ankle mobility is one of the strongest predictors of walking speed and balance in older adults. Think about it. Your ankles are the foundation. If the foundation is weak or stiff, everything above it has to compensate. You can do these seated in a sturdy chair. Extend one leg out slightly. Slowly rotate your ankle in a large circle, clockwise for 10 circles, then reverse for 10 counterclockwise. Breathe naturally and try to isolate the movement to just your ankle. Your whole leg shouldn't be moving. Now for toe taps. With the same leg extended, flex your foot back towards your shin as far as comfortable. Hold for 1 second. Then point your toes away. That's 1 rep. This movement strengthens your shin muscle, the ones that lift your foot, and your calf muscles, the ones that point your foot. Do 15 to 20 toe taps on each leg. The beauty of this exercise is you can do it anywhere, while watching TV, talking on the phone, or even sitting at the dinner table. Many of my patients do these first thing in the morning before getting out of bed, which is a perfect time to wake up the muscles. As you progress, add a light resistance band around your foot to increase the challenge. Exercise number 4, marching in place. This is what I call the great integrator, because it brings together everything we've been working on: strength, balance, coordination, and that crucial brain-to-muscle connection. Marching in place strengthens your hip flexors, quads, and core, while improving your walking pattern and cardiovascular fitness. A 2021 study found that regular marching exercises improved walking speed and endurance by 28% in adults over 70. But here's the secret. It forces each leg to support your full body weight independently, exactly what happens when you walk. You have 2 options: seated marching if you're building confidence, or standing marching if you're ready for more challenge. Sit toward the front edge of a sturdy chair, sit up tall, lift your right knee up as high as comfortable, holding for 1 second, then lower with control. Alternate legs in a steady rhythm. As you do this, engage your core muscles. Imagine pulling your belly button gently toward your spine. This protects your lower back and builds stability. For standing marching, use a counter or sturdy chair back for light support. Lift each knee to a comfortable height. Focus on standing tall and maintaining good posture. Start with 30 seconds per set and build up to 1 to 2 minutes as your endurance improves. Do this for 2 to 3 sets throughout your day. As you get stronger, try reducing how much you hold on, or add arm movements, swinging the opposite arm forward as each leg lifts, just like natural walking. These 4 moves, step-ups, heel raises, ankle circles, and taps, are the complete package for lasting leg strength. All right, here's a quick brain challenge for you. During the first exercise, the modified step-up, how many repetitions did I suggest doing on each leg to start? If you remember, type your answer in the comments. If not, just type number 9, and I'll reply as soon as possible with the correct answer. This is just for fun. So here's your daily routine. Do all 4 exercises once in the morning and once in the evening. The entire routine takes less than 10 minutes. Start with the lowest intensity versions and progress gradually. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you should notice you're walking with more confidence, getting up from chairs more easily, and feeling steadier on your feet. Your legs are designed to move and strengthen at any age. You just need to give them the right stimulus. We share practical tips to help you stay strong, active, and independent every Wednesday and Friday. So be sure to subscribe and stay updated. Now get up, choose one exercise, and take action. Your 80-year-old self will thank you.